New tonight, the Juilliard-trained pianist accused in a brutal murder here in Greenville County back in court today for a hearing about investigators accessing his cell phone. Now, Christina Parcell, who you see here, was found dead in her home along Canebrake Drive last October. An autopsy showed she was stabbed to death 31 times. Investigators were on scene for more than a day collecting evidence from that home. They say the suspect was actually caught on Ring doorbell, entering and leaving Parcell's home on the day she was murdered. Investigators later charged Zachary Hughes with murder. Now, last month, the prosecution filed a motion requesting his phone passcode. The motion argued Hughes knew the father of Parcell's child, and the two exchanged nearly 2,000 messages over an instant messaging app, including on the day of her murder. Fox Carolina's Zach Prelutsky has been covering this case since it started. He was in court today for the judge's decision.
I am going to grant the state's motion to provide access to and compel Zachary Hughes to disclose the passcode to the iPhone.
Investigators say key evidence into the death of Christina Parcell could soon be unlocked.
We know exactly what we're looking for among other evidence that we already have so that we can complete the investigation in our case.
Judge Letitia Verdon ruling in favor of a motion filed by solicitor Walt Wilkins in June, looking for access into Zachary Hughes' cell phone. Investigators seized the phone during a search warrant. Since then, they've been able to download some of the contents, but they say there's still evidence they can't access right now.
We know we have a decent amount of it, but we can't rely that the information is complete. It's partial and it's encrypted. We do know that.
In the phone, the state will be looking for geolocations, photos, apps where people can communicate, and anything related to those that may have been deleted. As for if what would be found on the phone could link anyone else to the crime,
we don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. We can only follow the evidence, and we will go wherever the evidence takes us.
Hughes' defense team declined to comment after the hearing. It's important to note that nobody can force Hughes to give up his passcode, but if he does not comply with the court order, he would be found in contempt of court, which the state says they would use against him in the upcoming trial. For now, reporting in Greenville County, Zach Prelutsky for Fox Carolina News.